Kwame oni menzo besa ka bio ni say many aje on how omu treaty guys no at this moment, because say you about 2 players you about 2 team one Kwame befa at least anye bia no you be say anya handover no to be or me be ready players ne nyoma bi Kwame na yet coach no be ka say no amu ho bia mo contract wo mo ni koroko contract bia no mo ho na Kwame ani munye training ni access mo ansa na even po Kwame se beje bi kwan ya bi kwan. And you see, one thing I'm also happy to say, Kwame, at this point I'm not seeing people pushing players for the team.
Coach William Asodi.
And I'm saying that at this
Coach
point, what I'm really happy and he say, Kwame, at this point we are not seeing people pushing players for the for the team.
You can't.
And you see, one thing many Japan Kwame. But look, Kwame, yenhwe bibi wa ha say. Now, how Asante Kotoko Kwame esi fe koi sesia no. Kwame was say amanfo start adapting to Asante Kotoko, the new Asante Kotoko. From supporters to the last man, Kwame. And also Bia started adapting the new Asante Kotoko. Kwame, do you know why? Look, we are in this country. And then ya de politics asay Kotoko bepimine. Enti Kwame enei empanifo no mu bi no titru supporters no mu bi no a Kwame ebi a omo kasa ewo mu omo di team ni mu tintima Kwame sometimes say we push we am away we agenda we si say enti Kwame anko dia away then they turn against Asante Kotoko Kwame. Then this particular season sankrofo nyina Kwame, if they are not ready to adapt to the new Asante Kotoko Kwame, they should sit there somewhere. So be ready. Say Kwame enei club Asante Kotoko direction na o ma fa ni sesi asa on person mo koso and o mo fa so. Kwame, if you don't want to silence with them, Kwame, you should sit down. Because one, Kwame, nipa ya fa na o ye team no Kwame ni sika na odi you ana meboa. And obie ni hono mu a Kwame obetima ka kire me say sika na odi wa team ni mu no any first odi wa team ni mu da ana meboa
na do Father Christmas.
Exactly. So Kwame, I was see a money pa kwan no take decisions a ono no free say e ba boare na aboa club no ama club no e kan koro Kwame I the first thing I was here. Entienei se nipa na odi sika hye team ni mu no Kwame o make decisions bia e be govern team no a Kwame, we don't need to sit somewhere and be throwing jabs. Kwame, we don't need to sit somewhere and be like we are not giving you a chance to talk or to dictate. No. Because over the years, Kwame, you who Sadio no Asante Kotoko I hate the club so much. Because you banya nkrofo bia enei se Kwame omunya kwan emben team no mpo a eno no be problem. Ubenya nkrofo ko bi Kotoko Kwame se nei omo kasa na nipa na oya club na se nipa ko na omudi team na Kwame ya mfa keto bia eno no problem. So you see these people Kwame trying to say a whole lot, trying to make it look like as they say no ya form nya hwe ya form asem nya hwe, then they will be creating issues for the club. So Kwame, now how Kotoko no at this point, if you are not ready to adjust yourself, say Kotoko ni direction ni entienei obe play a role as a supporter rather than say Kwame obe kika ko team no akodi di mu dia Kwame, then I'm sorry tena fie
yen komra
Kwame ni be say na make kind simple and because over the years so have Kotoko team na Kwame Kotoko club no down for any nsema ekoso nyina no eye supporters ni team no supporters no eye binu titiri omo at least e for say omo ka bi ewom ana say omo follow team ni pa no Kwame e ho na issues kakra na wo entiene Kwame so no obi o problem mpo na se nei o Kotoko no ye adwuma Kwame the entire home says here and say Kotoko first. And TNA so only pano problem kwame. That is where professionalism ebemuno. Just cooperate, I mean a jumano. Yes, take it a jumano. Sakoro konuba kwani mu kwame no na ese ehia sese. Entine kwame e mo bia ma eti se okoka bibi okochana adwen yamfa ana ye mane kwan e mane mbentim no ntino enei said they normally on tie na near be create issues. No, Kwame. We should allow them to work. Because Kwame, a amount for investment, amount for sika, and omudi shame. Kwame elsewhere. Yes, supporters no Kwame omo say our clubs ni mu nye Ghana nko. But Kwame busa ho say omo say any omo kasa bebre wo team mu e koso no. Kwame, have you asked yourself omo contribution omo de ma clubs no? Enti no be ko Barcelona, obenya supporters na Kwame omo kasa empanifo ni betie omo make point at least ya fa de year adwuma because they are making contribution. Kwame Oko, other clubs, Man U, Chelsea, Madrid, Man City, Juventus, Kwame, all of them, their supporters contribute a lot to the club. And Tenobet many supporter about Kwame or better the whole season ticket at the Accor Stadium Accor game. Kwame, indirectly the person is contributing to the club, no. Kwame, even if the club is not performing, still Kwame Omoko Stadium ko support club no. But anei almost sama club no ehun say nei enoma na ekoso no. Kwame omunya okay with performance na club no edema omo no. Omunya okay but Kwame they won't sit home. They will come to the stadium, support the team and still criticize the supporters, the club. Kwame, that is what we call a good supporter. That is what we call someone who is contributing to the club. No, Kwame. Sankrof no, omune here. Inti Kwame mesre. Koroko supporters Kwame di club na chi sese. Sese Kwame ye kase contribution ya modema club no Kwame ye dey. Obeka fa abu sponsors ona meboa. A month sikasa na omo contribute to the club. I'm not sure it's more than 50,000. Meboa. I'm not sure. But Kwame, ask yourself. Kodokona. Do na the boss amna say nay. Omo the best club more supporters see will be Kwame. No busa say a month Kodoko expenses. I saying. Kwame, first 2 years I'm telling you. Yera Joshua ne omo makano. Mr. Brown Kwame. 2 years a day anymore. And for so be anymore, omu be investi a ye ka. I'm telling you, Kwame, a ye ka.
Okay.
So I was say, ye di say your dream, say ne ye di support be mo omu. Na sanke kawane mrebi Kwame etwemo a ne ye di ma club no. Ene Kwame o say to otwa. Kwame e o say to otwa. Na as a supporter Kwame, diulemu as a supporter.
Ati, what I say?
Mati Kwame
supporters ni komo. 0596259444